So this is my Claude desktop app, and then this is my TradingView app. And let's say I want to look at this market, this chart right now that I'm looking at, and I don't want to do the analysis myself. All I just need to do is just to go to Claude and then type /trade, then dash analysis output right here, and go ahead and click on enter. Let me just show you what this can do for you. Now, the time has passed where you have to take a screenshot, give it to AI, and then AI analyzes based on the screenshot you sent it and gives you an output. This time around, Claude Code can analyze your trading view in real time. As you can see, it just switches to the weekly time frame. That is exactly what this particular skill here does. That is what it does. So it switches to the weekly time frame. It does top-down analysis on your chart, and at the end of the day, it gives you a report. This is one version of it. Now, after this, I'll be showing you another version where I can ask Claude, go to my trading view, switch from one asset to another. I can give it up to 6 or 10 assets to analyze for me, and it does top-down analysis, and at the end of the day, it comes up with a result. It gives me recommendation of what I should do, whether to long, short, or just stay neutral. All of that, Claude is going to do it for me. And all of this starts with just a single line of prompt, and I'll be sharing that with you in a moment. So you can see we've switched from weekly to daily, and this time around we're on the 4 hours time frame, and I don't need to do anything. Claude is automatically doing all of this for me. At the end of the day, it will give me entering levels. It will tell me why I'm taking that trade, and it will equally give me resistance and support levels that I should be looking at, and give me areas of invalidation in case the trade did not go well. So let's just wait and see what happens. Just give it a few moments and let it do its work. Right, so right here you can see the multi-time frame summary. Claude is going to give us every detail starting from the weekly time frame down to the 4 hours, down to the 15 minutes time frame rather. And then at the end of the day, it gives us this output according to what I've given it. So this time around is asking us to short Ethereum, and this is the price we are going to be entering. This is our TP1 to 3, and then this is where our stop loss is going to be. So if I come back to trading view, let me just go to the 4 hours time frame and open this up. You can see right here. So Claude wants us to put our stop loss above this level and then start taking a short trade around this area. And our TP level will be around $2,075 level. And at the end of the day, it goes ahead and gives us this verdict. And here the summary says we should short it here and then target this level, and the risk to reward ratio is here, and they pop into resistance short. Don't enter early, wait for price to tap this particular level, the entering level it has given us, and then show rejection candle on the 15 minutes before executing. And invalidation will be 4 hours close, 4 hours candle close above the $2,160 level. If the 4 hours candle closes above that level, then we no longer need to enter that trade. And at the end of the day, it goes ahead and split all of this. This is one version of what Claude connected to TradingView will do for me. And another version is this one I want to show you right now. Now, the next version is this particular one here where I ask it, I give it a rule and say, this is what you can do. Go ahead and pull up BTC, Dogecoin, Link, 𝗕𝗲𝗙, LTC, Useless, Ape, and all of this, and do a top-down analysis on all of that. I give it this detailed prompt, and Claude will go ahead and analyze each of this chart. It will open it one after the other. At the end of the day, it gives me a summary for BTC. It goes ahead and pull up Dogecoin. It goes ahead and pull up Link. And at the end of the day, it gives me this table right here. Let me just show you. Final filter priority ranking. So from Dogecoin, you can see the confidence right here, 7/10, and it goes down. And at the end of the day, it gives me all of these screenshots where I'm going to be entering a trade. And if I want you to send this as a PDF file, to send this report as a PDF file, it will go ahead and do just that. And at the end of the day, I use this to make my final judgment. I come in here to look at if truly I'm going to take a short trade right here. Remember, it gives all this entering from the 15 minutes time frame. So you can go to the 15 minutes time frame and look at this chart and see if you'll be shorting right from here or just wait for whatsoever you want to use as confluence. Now, this is how 𝗕𝗏𝗙 has helped me ease the number of hours, the number of time that I spend doing technical analysis. So I can use it to ease the work, and at the end of the day, it makes it very easy for me for the communities that I manage. And in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to do exactly just this. I've put together all of this for you, and you just need just a prompt, this particular prompt right here. You just copy it and paste it into your 𝗕𝗏𝗙, and it will go ahead and do all of this for you. All you just need, once this is installed and linked up together, all you just need is come to your 𝗕𝗏𝗙 and ask it what is on my chart, and it will go ahead and reveal that for you. You can ask it to create a watch list of all of the perpetual pairs available on Bybit, and it will do that for you. Or any exchange that you use, it will create that watch list for you. You can ask 𝗕𝗏𝗙 to go and scan your watch list and give you some of the tokens that are doing very well. And it will scan the top 10, top 20, whatever that prompt that you're writing here. It will go ahead and do that. And at the end of the day, it gives you a verdict whether you are to enter a long trade or a short trade or just to wait and all of that. This skill that I've put together right here will do everything for you. So all you need right now is just to copy this skill, and there are two things that you basically need for this to work for you. You need a paid TradingView account. Even if it is the lowest subscription amount, this can work. All you just need is a paid TradingView account. And the second thing you need is a paid Claude account. Claude will cost about $20 per month. I'm doing monthly subscription, and then TradingView will cost about $15 a month. These are just the two things that you need to be able to do this. And the next thing you need is this skill that we have put together for you. The link to this MCP will be made available for you in my Telegram channel. You all just need is use the link in the video description or the link in my bio to join my Telegram channel, and you just need to copy this code right here. And once you copy this, the next thing you need is go to Claude. And once you subscribe for Claude, all you just need is to download. You'll be prompted to download the desktop application. So to download it, go ahead and install it. And once you finish installing it, you will see right here, we have the chart, we have the cowork, and then we have the 𝗕𝗏𝗙 itself. So click on the 𝗕𝗏𝗙 right here. And once you are here, the next thing you want to do, if for instance, I go ahead and create a new section right here. So right here with this new section, all you just need to do is to click. This is the folder that I'm using. If you go ahead and click on it, it will ask you to open a folder. You can see all of the folders that I've created here. Click on open folder and go ahead and create a folder inside of your laptop or your computer, whatever computer that you're using, either on your desktop, on your document folder, wherever you want. Go ahead and create a folder, and after that, select the folder. Now, after you selected the folder, you've created a folder and selected it here. The next thing you want to do is to select the model right here. You can use Opus 4.7 or use whatever you want to use here. Any of these can actually work for you. And then for the effort right here, if you want low, I always use medium. And the whole essence of this is just to reduce the way this thing times me out, because at the end of the day, if you use, for instance, Opus 4.7, it consumes a lot of your credit, and at the end of the day, you run out of limit. So you need to wait for a few hours or thereabout, either the daily limit or the weekly limit. So you need to wait for that to reset before you can do anything again. Then the next thing you want to do, where it says permission here, by default, the one that will be selected will be accept edit. Now, because I don't want to always be clicking allow, always allow, and all of that, that's why I have to use this bypass permission. But if you are doing this for the first time, I will say use this accept edit. There are some things that Claude will want to do that it will ask for your permission. So you need to go ahead and click on allow once or always allow before it can go ahead and proceed. But in my own case, since it's something I've used time without number, I just have to bypass all of those permissions and allow Claude to do his thing. Then after that, you want to go ahead and paste that prompt right here. And this will be made available on my Telegram channel. So use the link in my bio or in the video description to join us. And once you paste that, go ahead and click on enter, and 𝗕𝗏𝗙 will go ahead and automatically set up this for you. While doing that, it will be asking for some things that it need, and you just need to go ahead and click on allow once or always allow, and this will automatically be set up for you. And after that, just restart your 𝗕𝗏𝗙 and go ahead and ask it to check what is on your chart. If your TradingView application is closed, it will go ahead and open it up. Whatever it is, 𝗕𝗏𝗙 will go ahead. If you want it to create a watch list for you of all the tokens that are available on Bybit or any exchange you use, it will go ahead and do that. And you can use this to analyze forex pairs. You can use it to analyze crypto. You can use it to analyze stocks, whatever that have a candlestick. You can use Claude now to start analyzing it and get a better understanding. Even if you're a complete beginner in the trading space in technical analysis, Claude Code can help you, give you an insight of what you should be expecting. Go ahead and connect Claude to your TradingView and start using it for your day-to-day technical analysis. And if you find it difficult doing that, we can help you do that. Just send me a DM on Telegram and my team and I can help you get this set up in less than 20 to 30 minutes. And that actually comes with a cost. So if you have gained value from this video, make sure you smash that like button, subscribe to the channel if you have not done that already, and hit that notification bell to be the first to be notified whenever we publish new videos like this. I already built a trading bot that is helping me scalp gold every now and then. I'll be sharing that in my next video. So make sure you stay tuned to see how I'm using Claude to start automating not just trading, other things, businesses that I'm equally building with AI. I'll see you in my next video. For now, like, subscribe to the channel and share this with your friends.